The final tip is to group collocations based on similarities to make learning them easier. As we see here, we can group collocations by topic, word, or structure. So for example, if I'm trying to learn common collocations for the topic of medical affairs, I might have a list that looks like this: KOL engagement, profit margin, engagement strategy, patient insights. In my opinion, I think grouping collocations by word is the most useful, and it's especially important when learning new vocabulary words. So let's just say, for example, I just learned the word time. I can make a list of other collocations with the word time. For instance, make time, kill time, half time, free time. And also, here's an example of how you can group collocations based on structure. This is like what we saw on the slide with the 7 types of collocations. So if I'm learning verb plus noun collocations that are relevant to medical affairs, I can have a list that looks like this: lead meetings, lead teams, engage KOLs, build rapport. So again, I know I said it before, but it's worth stressing. I think the biggest takeaway from this is to group collocations by word when you're learning new vocabulary words, but always do what's best for you. So that's all I have to say about collocations. I hope this was helpful, and please reach out if you have any questions.